Hello everyone. In this screencast, I will show you how to connect to the 309 server, host a website on the server, and then view it on browser. For demonstration, I am using the server of group SB2. So after doing this, you will be able to access the website using your browser like this, HTTP, and then the address of your server, hit enter. And now it is not showing you anything, but after hosting the website on the server, you will be able to show the website in this address. So to do that, we will use our command line to connect to the server first. I am opening my terminal. If you are using Windows, open your git bash and then type ssh and then your server address, hit enter. It will ask for your password. It is your NetID password. Here we go. Now we are logged into our server. To be able to host the website, you need to start your HTTP service in the server. So the command to do that is sudo service httpd start. It is asking for my password again. Okay, the service has been started. You can check that the service is running by typing this command sudo service httpd status. It is showing me that the service is active and it's running. After doing this, we need to create a web page and then transfer that page to the server. I have already created a website, so it's a basic index.html page. I have saved it to my local machine. Now I will transfer this index.html page to the server using FileZilla. So now let's open FileZilla. To learn how to use FileZilla, you can refer to the other screencast. So basically we use our hostname, username and password to connect to the server using FileZilla, and here is our local directory and here is our server directory. Go to your root directory of the server first and then go to var. Inside var you will get www. Inside www you will have HTML, and then here is my local directory. I have saved my index.html page. Now I am going to transfer that index.html page to the HTML directory of the server. Now our index.html page has been transferred. If you now go to the browser and hit your server address, then this HTML page should be visible to your browser. So let's do that. You can see the web page is visible now. In this way, you can host a website in your 309 server. If you are following the procedure outside of the campus, please use VPN and do this. Thank you.